Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got myself into this situation.
Birds did their best, and now our drone is on the top of the tree, trying to find the escalera.
Don't fly with a bird around because they will do that. Second, don't be afraid to fly. You're gonna crash it a few times. Not that bad damage, just a couple of the things here, and the drone's actually pretty good condition. Like I said, it happens. You're gonna crash it a few times, and it's okay. Don't be afraid. Some of them are already there from the last time that we crashed it, so I mean, it happens. Droney.
Well, if what, we still have the second one because you know the story.
We'll sing along when we hear it on. They made it.